Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Hey guys, it's me, Danny, and I hope you're having a great week. Hey, I thought I'd bring you a little mini lesson here in the middle of the week, just to help you out a little bit with furthering your Spanish. You know, somebody sent me a message and they said, hey, why don't you do a quick video on giving directions? I said, hey, that's a great idea. If it helps you, I'm all about it. So here it is. We're gonna do a mini lesson on giving directions. And by the way, if you don't know how they got in touch with me, all they did was send me a message on the Language Tutor Spanish Facebook page. That's right. So go to Facebook, find us. Also, if you haven't clicked subscribe here on our channel, please do that. Click the notification bell and definitely check out the Language Tutor Spanish podcast. But hey, let's jump right into our mini lesson here. So giving direction, somebody asked this when they say, ¿Dónde está? And it could be anything. They might be asking for El Museo del Prado. We don't know. Maybe they're in Spain looking for that. Well, somebody asks you, ¿Dónde está something? And you're going to tell them how to get it. So I want to give you some key phrases that you can use in giving directions. So first of all, let's talk about location of something. Look at this phrase, enfrente de. Enfrente de means in front of or across from. Or you might say this, en la esquina. En la esquina means on the corner. Or you might say this, al lado de, next to. Or detrás de, behind. So that helps you just with general locations. But here's a little bit that's talking about distance from here. You might say this, a 3 cuadras, 3 blocks from here. Cuadra, it's a block, you know, in the city. So a 3 cuadras, 3 blocks from here. Or you might be talking about a street and say, es la tercera. It's the 3rd one. And you can replace that with any ordinal number. Segunda, cuarta, quinta, sexta, séptima, all of those. So if you don't know your ordinal numbers, jump back into our older lessons. I think it's the one about family. And I did some ordinal numbers in there too to help you practice that. Or you might say this, es la próxima. It's the next one. Or you might say, a 5 minutos. It's only 5 minutes from here. All right, now let's talk about telling somebody how to go there. You might say, dobla a la izquierda, turn left. Or you might hear this one, gira a la izquierda. Some people are going to use that instead of dobla. They're going to use gira because they use that for turn. Also, you might hear dobla a la derecha, turn to the right, or gira a la derecha. Okay? Here's what you can tell. You're going to tell somebody you cross something. Maybe it's a street or railroad tracks. You say cruza. Cruza means cross. You tell somebody just continue or follow. You might use this word, sigue. Sigue. Now, if you want to tell somebody just continue straight, you say sigue derecho. Sigue derecho. Yes, derecha means right, and derecho can be used in that way also. But in context, people will understand what you're saying. They will. They'll get it. If you say, sigue derecho, they're going to know you mean go straight. Okay? And here's one more for you. Toma, take. Toma. You might say, toma el autobús, take the bus. Or el tren, or un taxi. Okay, mis amigos, I hope that helps you with giving some directions. Hey, here's a good idea. Why don't you pretend like you're giving directions to somebody and try it 4 or 5 different ways. Use all these different phrases because let me tell you, you never know when you're going to need these phrases. Definitely might come in handy, especially if you like to travel like me, okay? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick mini lesson here in the middle of the week. I hope you're having a great week, and I look forward to seeing you on the next lesson in the Language Tutor Spanish. Hasta pronto. Friends, thanks for watching the Language Tutor. If you have a question for me, feel free to leave it in the comment section below the video. And please click subscribe and the notification bell so that you'll never miss any of our language lessons.